How to get a refund or compensation under Australian consumer law, ACL. Have you ever bought something only to realize it was faulty, misleading, or just didn't work as promised? Maybe a store told you no refunds, but is that even legal? What if I told you that businesses cannot refuse refunds or compensation when your rights are violated? In this video, we'll break down how the Australian consumer law, ACL, protects you and how to claim a refund, replacement, or compensation when things go wrong. Stay with us until the end, because knowing your rights can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Before we talk about the refund process, it's important to understand what the Australian consumer law, ACL, actually is. This is a national law that protects your rights as a consumer when you buy goods and services. It applies to almost everything you purchase, whether it's electronics, furniture, repairs, or even services like car maintenance and cleaning. Under this law, businesses must follow strict consumer guarantees. That means what you buy must be of acceptable quality, fit for its intended purpose, and match its description. If a product or service fails to meet these guarantees, you have the legal right to demand a solution, whether it's a repair, replacement, or refund. The ACL is enforced by the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission, ACCC, and state and territory consumer protection agencies. You can find more details about the law in the Competition and Consumer Act 2010. About how to claim a refund. Let's go over the consumer guarantees that protect you automatically under the ACL. These guarantees apply to all products and services, and businesses cannot ignore them, no matter what their store policies say. The three most important guarantees are acceptable quality. Products must be safe, durable, and free from defects. Fit for purpose. If a salesperson promises a product will do something, it must actually do that. Matching descriptions. What you buy must exactly match the description provided online, in store, or in advertisements. If a product or service fails any of these guarantees, you are entitled to a remedy, either a repair, replacement, or refund, depending on the issue. Stores cannot put up signs saying no refunds, because that directly violates the law. Before we talk about how to enforce your rights, let's clarify when you are entitled to a refund or compensation under the ACL. Your rights depend on whether the problem is major or minor. A major problem means the product is unsafe, completely unusable, or very different from what was promised. In these cases, you get to choose between a refund, replacement, or compensation. A minor problem is something that can be fixed easily. The business must repair the issue first, but if they refuse or take too long, you can demand a refund or get it fixed elsewhere and recover the costs. Either way, businesses cannot just say no. They must provide a fair solution if a business refuses to help. Let's go through the steps to claim a refund or compensation. Step 1. Contact the seller. As soon as you notice the problem, contact the store or service provider. Clearly explain the issue and state whether you want a repair, replacement, or refund. Keep records of all communication in case the matter escalates. Step 2. Provide proof of purchase. A receipt is ideal, but you can also use a bank statement, invoice, or even an email confirmation. You have proof, businesses cannot refuse your claim. Step 3. Escalate the matter if needed. If the seller refuses to help, don't give up. You can report the issue to your state's Consumer Protection Agency or the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission, ACCC, who can investigate unfair business practices. Before we talk about real-life success stories, you should know that consumer guarantees don't cover everything. Here are a few exceptions. Misuse of a product. If you damage an item by using it incorrectly, you're not entitled to a refund. Change of mind. If you simply don't like the product, businesses aren't required to give you a refund. Some stores voluntarily allow returns, but it's not a legal right. Certain goods and services, perishable items, custom-made products, and digital content often have special refund policies, but they must look at real-life cases where people successfully used their consumer rights to get refunds and compensation. A Melbourne woman's brand new washing machine broke after 2 months. The retailer told her to contact the manufacturer, but she stood her ground and reminded them that her contract was with a seller. She got a full refund after quoting the ACL. Sydney man booked a home cleaning service that failed to show up twice. After refusing his refund, he reported the company to NSW Fair Trading, and they not only refunded him, but offered a discount on future bookings. A Queensland customer's smartphone battery died right after the 12-month warranty expired. The retailer claimed they weren't responsible, but under the ACL, products must last a reasonable time. After filing a complaint with the ACCC, he got a free replacement. Knowing your consumer rights can save you from unfair business practices and help you get your money back when things go wrong. Many businesses rely on customers not knowing their rights, but now you do. If a store refuses to help, don't take no for an answer. Be informed, be proactive, and fight for what you're entitled to. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Aussie Legal Insights for more practical legal advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.